Hey everybody, this is James from Wealthquest. Hey, it is officially tax season. Man, I hate tax season. I need to just tell you, it's my least favorite season of the year. Around here at Wealthquest, we are working really hard to crank through 800 plus tax returns through our office, and it is not a really happy time. But as I was thinking about all this work and the chaos that this season brings on, this is how it is for all of us. Tax season is just such a stressful time of year because we work really hard to pull all this information together, and then we end up submitting it. And the worst part about this whole process is none of us really know for sure what the outcome is. Are we going to owe? Are we going to get money back? How big of a number is it going to be? No matter how hard we try to get as close as we can throughout the year, there's still this pit in your stomach of anxiety of not knowing the answer until you get it back. And the thing that really bothers me is that when we get that back, after all the anxiety, after all the work to pull it together, and then get a number that we weren't expecting, whether it's that we owe or that we get a big refund, it changes our plans. It changes our behavior. If we owe, we may say something like, oh shoot, maybe we can't take that vacation we planned on. Or if we get a big refund, we kind of go crazy and go spend money we hadn't really planned on spending. No matter what, it kind of changes what we thought we were going to do this year. And I really want to push against that tendency. One area in particular that we're seeing some of that in is in charitable giving. The new tax law not only changes the way the tax return looks, it's a little confusing, it doesn't look like it used to, it also changes the way the tax return works. Doesn't necessarily mean that people are getting shortchanged. It just means that the way that the math works is a little bit different, and charitable contributions are on the top of people's mind. If you give money to the things you care about, you may not end up deducting it because the standard deduction is so much higher now under the new law. And so as people are getting their new tax returns back and they're seeing that those contributions didn't really matter last year in terms of the tax that they paid, they still paid the same amount of tax, it still was less, but the charitable contribution didn't really count. They're starting to ask the question, should I keep doing that? The answer is yes. If you are caring about an organization, if you want to support a cause, it shouldn't matter whether you're deducting it or not. That shouldn't be the reason that you give. And I just want to highlight how incredibly impactful taxes are on our decision-making process. Charitable contributions are a great example. People are saying, I don't think I want to do this anymore because I'm not going to get to deduct it. We should do those things because they're the right things to do. Generosity is core to living a rich life. And so I want to encourage you, whatever the outcome is of this tax return, however confusing it is or however surprising it is, stick to what you planned on this year. Live the life you intended to live this year and support the things you planned on supporting. This shouldn't change those plans. So good luck. Happy tax season. We'll see you next week. Hey guys, if you like these videos, please comment and share these videos out. If there's things you want us to be talking about, send us an email or give us a comment below and we'll start talking about those ideas. We look forward to covering the topics that you want to hear about. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Take care.